This is a very cute house. The blue again, the white. That's a more toned down blue than the other ones, but you see how they've mixed it with the steps, the blue and the white. They just got the chain link fence, of course. Obviously, you know, white picket fence is always going to get it, or wrought iron. It's going to be my thing, but still, very nice place, nice porch. They just need some chairs and, you know, rockers and stuff up there, but overall, very good. Here is the 5-Star Fish Inn. That's what the little sign up there says. You see, it's an interesting color. I definitely like the color, the green and the minty color, then against the white. It's a very clean look. You can't hardly beat it, I don't think. Nice clean windows, all that stuff. And then it's got like a rock pattern along the wall. I'm sure it's fake, but you know, whether it is or not. And it's down, it's carrying through right down there as well. So, and it's like I said, it's called the 5-Star Fish Inn, so it's obviously like an Airbnb type thing. And then this one's right beside it, so I just thought I'd shoot these together. And again, it's very clean. It's got the green mint door, and then of course it's black and white. So again, it's very clean looking, nice little porch, and a good nice white picket fence, versus that one has the chain link. So that's where this one wins for that part for sure. Alright, now right here you see we got the mini greenhouse there. Very nice color against that white, really shines. So there's not a ton of detail or anything to it. I like the French doors at the top, and then got a full glass front door there, looks like. And we'll just go behind this vehicle here, show you the mailbox there. Got an old truck on it. Hopefully you can see that there. And then this house, I thought we'd go ahead and capture this together. That it's got an interesting door here. I think I can just walk on this sidewalk here. It's been on a tour or something. It's got one of those plaques. But there's the door. Pretty cool looking there. And of course the little porch helps it out. This house is simple and clean again. It's got a nice yellow bench up there, which is nice. But look on the stairs there. That pattern really caught my eye. And of course that door is very nice with the transom. And look at the mailbox. I'll try to zoom in on all this while I'm talking, and you can look at all that stuff up closer. I think that's pretty cool, just as it is. And this house too, honestly, I'm simply capturing it for a couple of reasons. One, it's got the dual porches, and number two, with the colors, it just looks clean to me as well, except of course on the very bottom, which, you know, you can't help that when things splatter on the ground. But it overall is a very clean looking house. I like the transom over the doorway right there. And you know, it's simple but good. So again, you don't need big, gigantic, gorgeous all the time. Sometimes this is all it takes to be home. Okay, take a place. Look at this place. It's got nice palm trees and things here, some pine trees. And that orange color really stands out. Makes it pretty up there at the door. It's got a neat detail there on the glass of it, and it's got a little transom too. Got a little porch up there, and over here is the stairs that leads up to it. So I just like it's different. And here you can see this right here. That makes it different as well. So overall, definitely worth bringing to you. And here, while we're at it, this is like it's a little tiny twin. Hey, kitty cat. See the kitty cat right there? Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. So yeah, so that's not bad either. Okay, if you see this video pretty soon, you know, if you want to call those people, you can buy that right here on M Avenue. And you can see, again, it's got the minty green type color, orange, has all the touches on it, even on the columns, then up on the door. You can see that. Got a light up there. We got some seating up there, so you know, useful porch there. And then there's space underneath. I don't know if that's for a garage or just storage, but there is space there. And here, while we're at it, look at this tree. It still thinks it's fall on January the 17th. How weird, huh? Alright, they are roofing this house next to me, so I'm sure my voice is going to be not in great shape. But this whole side here is fish scales, you can see. Got nice little details across the porch there. on the railings. But that door here, I'm going to zoom in on this door, and you go and look at that and tell me what you think of that. I like it. This has apparently been on several tours, and it's definitely a 1900 Survivor. Show you that up there. Nice dormer. It's got fish scales on it too. It is a beautiful house. Alright, while we're at it, let's just go ahead and get its neighbor, which is this yellow one here. And again, you know, yellow always gets me. And it's got a nice stairway up there, so hopefully you like that one too. Okay, this house here, it is winning the gorgeous house maybe of the day. Let me tell you, blue and the white, two different blues, are so very nice. The white picket fence, of course, but I want you to look at this door. I mean, that door, wow. Blue Haven, established 2020. I don't know about blue, but it's a haven. This place is a knockout. Look at all the different scroll work and things on it here. It has a little, well, here, there's the mailbox right there. There's a fountain right there. Bricks on the steps and on the walk down there. It's got the little yellow touches in these things here. And of course, double porches, obviously. And here, up at the top, got a little detail up in that. Hope you like this thing half as much as I do, because let me tell you what, I like it a lot. This place here is for sale, and check out the front door and the back or side door back there, whichever you call it, both red. The house is a bluish green, and then with white trim and everything around. It is for sale, and right there, if you want to call Amanda Wood, she can definitely help you out with it. And maybe this can be yours if the price is right. Alright, now check out this beauty too. Look at all the detail up at the top up here, first of all. And then of course it's got a porch up there. Got the porch down here. It too has a really nice door. I will zoom in on that, give you the details on it. It's got a ceiling fan up there. And very nice setup. I gotta say, I like it. There's two ceiling fans, and see, and it's got a wraparound porch here. And you know that I really like the wraparound porches, so there's that for that. So very nice house here. All right, here we got this little cutie. Check it out. The color Pepto-Bismol, which I personally think is pretty. Look all the way at the very top with that window up there. Got them various colors in it. Got purple around windows and the door. And got some pink little diamonds in the glass there, and then the little pink wheel things on the screen door there, and then of course the white picket fence, obviously, and the little columns. Cute little house. I like it. All right, here we are back to another sidewalk. Check it out. Runs up and down both ways, and here's the cute little house that it is for. Very nice, huh? You see all the nice blue shutters, very top and up there on the second floor. And then down here, the door's sort of purplish pinkish, maybe a fuchsia type thing. Not 100% sure. Got a couple of rockers and a bench on there. And it's been on some sort of a tour. It's not a Survivor or anything, but it's got nice columns. Cute little house. I really like it. These realtors need to give me a part of their commission when these things sell. That's what's that sign is selling. Got a little bit of fish scales right up here in this little section right there. And then the rest of this kind of looks like brick. And yes, I am still on the public sidewalk, so I haven't crossed over. I'm not trespassing. You see this door here, and it's got a neat little jeweled piece of glass there in the middle, so that looks pretty nice. Other than that, very simple house, very simple porch, but hey, it works for the color. Here I am selling another house for another realtor. Lauren Kenny, you owe me if you sell this house because of my video. But there's the house. Again, it's got the yellow going for it. It's got a door at the bottom, it's got a door at the top. So I suppose it's split into two apartments. I'm going to take it. It's a simple house, but it is a Survivor if you look up at the top. So that tells me this is one of those houses that was raised after the flooding. And so now that's the original part at the top, and the bottom is the addition to raise it up higher off the ground in case of flooding. So there's that. Alright, so we got this black and white one. Got the two nice dormers up there, and you see there's some nice detail, diamond detail up at the top. And look at all the details, all the corbels and things. Oh, and look, it's got a sign. Let's see. John M. Jones Rouse, I believe that says. I'll try to zoom in on that. And see if we can figure that out. But yeah, beautiful house, beautiful fence, beautiful door. It is a survivor. If you look on the right of the door down here lower, it's right there. So pretty nice transom, side lights. Beautiful place. Got a nice little tree right there. I like it a lot. Hope you do too. Alright, so I just crossed 18th Street, and here is another survivor. Nice little house. Got some fish scales right up in that. You see the survivor sign to the right of the door. And very cute little house. The minty green again, a dark green there. Look at the sidewalk. So that's cool looking. Got this tree here. And then this nice fence. So I like that setup, don't you? Okay, so now we got this one just next door to the one that I just shot. Got this blue door, and it's white and black motif, you can see. Nice little porch there. And again, has the white picket fence, little palm there. And some nice little details. And that nice light there too. Actually 3 lights. Hope you like those. And the detail there and there. Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, so we got this one, and it is a survivor as well. You see it, 2 porches. Really nice double doors there. And some good work on it. Nice collar too, of course, so I like that. Alright, so we got this house here, and it's got an absolute ton of details. It's got a lot of things around it, but it's got several plaques up there. One of them, it is a survivor of the 1900 storm, and all the details, I mean, just look everywhere. I mean, there is truly a ton of details, and it's a nice color, nice porch, nice lights. Got 4 of the lights up there, and then you see it's got cover here, so it'd be a hard house to shoot anywhere from this side. So the way I just shot it was the only way to shoot it. But there you go. That's a nice one. And this is the one right next door to it. And you see it is really nice too. That thing has got a ton of details. Corbels up there at the top. And then nice railings on the top there. Ooh, it's got the gas lights here. I'll get closer to those, but right here you see here's a step that I know if I just explained to me. This is literally, you would step up, your carriage would pull up, so you would step up here and you can step right into the carriage. It's nice and easy. But you see right here, 2 gas lanterns on either side of the video, and then the one up at the door up there too. So we got 3 of them working at once. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully with that you can see the flames. I know we can on the right one and the left one, and the center one you should. So that's a very cool benefit. And then, oh my goodness, look. I mean, it even goes back to there. Same detail, same everything. Wow. And then gigantic wooden doors. Such a nice house. Okay, so we've got this gorgeous house here. Look at all the fish scales there. All the little detail work around down here in the bottom, up there at the top. Nice railings. A light blue on the steps, it looks like, with the white. A lot more fish scales over here in the middle and up at the top, up there. Absolutely beautiful place. And then fish scales around here to the side even. You see, right there. And at the top of that. So wow, what a magnificent place that is, huh? Okay, I just crossed 20th Street, you can see this place got just a little porch up at the top there, and then that little stoop there. But do you see those doors? Double doors, wooden, beautiful transom up over top. Gorgeous place. The white and the, I don't know if it's black, I think those are black shutters. But nice juxtaposition. Gorgeous, gorgeous place. Got this nice tree here with the curvy limb, and then the tree over here. So I hope you definitely enjoyed this as much as I have. I might even try to zoom in on that door and let you see that for a few seconds up close and personal, okay? Hope you enjoy it. Alright, we are nearing the end here. Not sure what else we got left, but this house is definitely a colorful house. And one big thing I want you to notice as well is look at this guy in the yard right there. A nice carving out of an old tree, usually is what they do those out of, and this is a survivor. If you look up here to the left of the door, you'll see it there. I'll zoom in for you to show that to you so that you can see it. It's got two porches, got some detail work throughout it, and a nice white picket fence. Needs cleaned, I will grant you that, but other than that, it is a nice place. Alright, this is going to be the final house on Main, on M Street, M Avenue, and or Avenue M, whichever you want to call it. I will show you this tree first, and this is the house right here. Got these stones for the sidewalk, goes up to it, white picket fence, got a blonde door, and some nice details on the windows. You can, if you look, you can see stained glass there, and then that nice light there. This one's 2025, and it's even got a green around the window up there at the top with the design, and they followed that green down. You can see on the stair rail there and along the sides of the house there. Alright, so that'll do it for this video. Hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, all that good stuff. I will see you on the next video.